Hey guys, it's Youngmind here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to get shaders for Minecraft. It's just past 2 PM, it's a beautiful day outside, so let's hop right into it. What you want to do is you first need to get Optifine. Optifine is basically the only way to run shaders nowadays. It used to be a bit different, but now we have Optifine. So you want to go to Downloads and click on Download. Then this little ad page will pop up. All you need to do is wait 5 seconds. And then after the 5 seconds, you can click skip and download. Now this might take you to another ad page after, so just click on your desktop and download it there. But it might not. Then you need to get the shaders you want. I'm going to be using Silder's shaders. But again, you can use any shader you want. If you want to know what shaders are available, you can just type in like best Minecraft shaders or something, and you see it'll come up with a bunch of them. So you just want to download. I'm just going to go with the light one just because it's a smaller download. Then again, we just need to wait for another 5 seconds to get these shaders. Click skip, and we're going to download to our desktop as well. Cool. And now we have Optifine and our shaders. So first you want to run this Optifine file and click install. I'm not going to do that because I already have it installed, but that will install Optifine for you, and that is really simple. Then you want to open up your Minecraft launcher, go to installations, click new, and then you want to call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it shaders tutorial 2, and you need to make sure the version is Optifine. You need to get that right, otherwise this will not work. Then just leave these two blank. There are a bunch of things you can change, but you just want to leave them, and hit create. Then you want to go to play, go to the thing you just created and play. You have to say that you understand that this is an unsupported client, blah blah blah, and launch it. Now this can take a couple of seconds if it's your first time running this setup. So if it takes a second, just don't worry. And then what I recommend doing is going into options, video settings, and setting the oh, where did it go? Am I completely blind? Video settings and setting the full screen. Where did it go? Ah, full screen there. Full screen to off, just for this step. So then click done, click on shaders, and click on shaders folder. This is why we wanted to play with a smaller screen, so we can see this happening in real time. So then all you want to do is drag your shaders folder into this shaders thing that just opened, drop it in, and you should see it updates there immediately. If it doesn't, what you can do is click on done, done again, video settings, shaders, and then this will update it and it should be there. So then we just want to double click on the shader thing we just installed. Minecraft will boot up again, and that's it. You have your shaders installed. If you can see, if we go into just a single player world, you can see that the shaders are installed. I'll put that into full screen for you guys so that you can see that. But you can see that the shaders are installed. The sky looks a lot more vibrant. Now these aren't the best shaders, I just installed the light version. Obviously you can, install what your PC can handle. But as you can see, it looks incredibly beautiful. But guys, I hope you did enjoy this one. If you did, be sure to leave that like button. Send it to any friends if you think it would help them out as well. But anyway guys, till next time, I'll see you soon. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Sorry, I'll see you soon, boys.